What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Typhon 6X. What I'm doing today, I'm doing a little speed test because this is the TLR. I got the TLR chassis. I got the Limitless shocks and shock towers and differentials. I got a carbon fiber wing in there. On the inside, I had a Mamba X ESC motor combo. It's censored. Running a Power Hobby servo in there. Got like a 20 tooth, I believe, a 23 tooth pinion in there. And I haven't tested this in a while. Well, I haven't tested it at all with speed, but I just installed it not too long ago. I got what kind of tires are these? Well, I can't remember what tires these are. I can't really remember what tires these are, but they jet codes. Just can't remember exactly which ones. Is she a little ripper? She is a ripper. I'm gonna get in the middle so I don't hit anything. Check that speed. Indeed. Oh, this thing is a beast. See what kind of speeds we can get out of this. We're gonna stop, read, and we have 69 miles an hour. 69 miles an hour. Thought I would have did better than that. Let's start it again. I mean, she did pretty good though, I'm not gonna lie. 60 miles an hour. All right. That car right there messed me up. I don't know why they circling the parking lot. Gonna kill my battery. I'm gonna try to off the rip full throttle. Try the full throttle off the rip. Full throttle. Now I'm at full throttle. Yeah. She got more though. Let me check that speed real quick. It was 72 miles an hour. 72, try to get, I'm gonna do one more pass and then I'm gonna call it a day because it's kind of busy out here. So let's, one more pass. One more pass, one more pass. All right, let me check that speed. I think it'll be like probably basically the same. 73 miles an hour. Yeah, I only got 73 miles an hour on that. I don't think I'm able to do no better than that. Yo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yo, this thing is a beast. I'm proud of my work here. Let's see if I can skim the old shit. That thing's good right there. Quick. Ooh. Yo. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check these temperatures, because I don't have a fan on the motor. I got one on the ESC, of course. Let's start off with the motor. All right, there we go. Like was 140 on the motor, 141. ESC is 124. Battery packs 108. Oh damn, I can still bash around a little bit. That's not bad at all. Got this little nifty temp gun from my homie Ishmael. All right, I'm gonna do a little more. I like this little setup here. Oh, yeah, these tires is a little too slick. Oh! I lost the tire. Yeah, here go the end results. Ate the hex all out. These tires couldn't hold up to a bashing. They not really bashing tires anyway, so that's really my fault. But yeah, this thing was ripping. I'm gonna find some new tires to put on there, put some foams or something like that. But as always, hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.